baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, The Dog. We are currently at Kaya. Me and babe. Me here, babe here. And decided to wear the color clothes that me I wear. Anyways, we came here to, we're going to do, can you guys guess what we're going to do? Push it on man. Can you guys guess what we're going to do? Let me try that one. We are going to do COVID test. Yeah. Whew. So guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my
dry. It's dry.
But like how people talk about it. Not bad.
Dry?
Breathe the extra. Stop being extra.
Try next time.
Actually, we should have caught this on camera. I don't know why we stopped the video, but we just got pranked. Like, we just got pranked by the workers at the place who do the
They said they never had nothing for this, them bored. Other people basically make me feel like me have COVID.
No, listen to babe, my heart make me feel different. Like,
no, but you realize me sit down and me no move. Because me I said me could have did already. Because me have COVID.
But no, when she said I have COVID, man, the girl that it
Them do it so neat to like
it was them together.
You think true?
When she said Minister Elsa, I swear she said them come to, you know?
No, I said them won't come check up with something. No, when he said that, me I said I got there we yard and they won't come check if we did it. Because that them can't do, they can't come take it from your yard care going mad.
Jesus, oh my God. I missed stop record.
Yeah,
you good? You shot yourself a good. I missed stop record because I was recording and then me stop. I miss sorry me never get that because me get up me I wonder if me go outside because yo them wicked. But thank God it is a prank.
But you ask if we could have seen the car. When I tell me see them, I go say, let me see that. To be frightened, I said, sure.
You're different too. But me see a song now, me.
I now move. You know, I'm sit down and now move stuff.
No.
Me just sit down and now move.
Because I start to jump on your foot in me, I said,
when you say if I first time,
I do it. Oh, it come like something when them plan. If I first time when I do it, you know, when I give them thing, when I give them.
They don't catch you.
Yeah, true.
If I first time when I do it, then we say.
They might catch anybody, honestly, because
no, but if we wouldn't do it,
neat, exactly.
Then we catch anybody at any time. Maybe they have different tactics out then.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh, it's in the email?
You got the Wi-Fi?
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past cause it always shows.
They do pizza here. Okay. This is Kaya over here. More video here. You need a record, you know? On the record me. So we did came to stay. And Scotches is right through here. You want to walk through here so babe to see where Scotches are? So I said this way to Scotches. Oh my god! Listen, them people there, I must YouTube at them. They must do YouTube video. Because out of the blue them just and babe was so extra when the girl first to baby.
No, for true, I thought it never go so far in a minute.
It never far.
Gosh.
I thought I would have been the one to freak out.
No, I'm not freak out. I'm not feeling not around. But it's just that you never feel so far in a minute. Yeah, come here. You have to go so make me feel comfortable again.
Oh my god.
Can you push me and you say dry?
Yeah, when she gets it.
I'm going to have to know one person and say dry. I'm going to the next one then.
This is a sign for Kaya, guys. Babes, what they ain't talking to the sign?
Hey, why am I asking if you want to be seen for?
The sign asking, want to be seen? Call me to advertise here. Okay, so that's the number if you don't have any continue to advertise. 876-908-0266. Alright, so we oughta. No, sir. I feel like I needed a rug or something because the sun up in my head top. I'm here in a so slack. So I don't know that go. Oh, quick. I don't know that go. Like, Jesus. At least you know where I feel like if somebody say you're positive for COVID. They catch me for true. The place is all St. Anne, guys. They catch me for true. They catch me good. Catch me good. It's on a team, man. I'm packing on a potty. Why did I buy potty on the rest of my stomach? Oh, this is out where we're at. Maybe if we want to take taxi, we have to go up there. So, city bus stop over on the next side. Yeah, you know, see this side. I have to go down so cross the road or something. Or you walk up our crossing. T crossing there. The pedestrian. Where are you? Pedestrian. Yes, so let me ask you. Babe. And me. Alright, so we walk up our pedestrian to cross the road to go over the next bus stop over there. So pay attention to come. Like out I said, just look like a hot spot for something. So I pay attention. Green light not working, so we had to beg people to let us through. The person in our black under van, like them I say, what then I see light from green, why them I stop me? But the light not working, so we reach at the bus stop now. Because this one does not have anybody. There's somebody down at the other one. There's somebody down at that one down there. There's some. Yeah, yes, I think about it.
I believe, I mean, I feel like me, like, you know, when I
believe, yeah, me believe, but
I look at myself, I say, but I don't feel like I know they have COVID, so if you have it.
Pull up your mask. Pull up your mask. Like me, I say, no, when she said me have it, I say, me have it, and you can't even find nothing for me in my nose.
Same time, I start thinking about asymptomatic and I say, shit. I want them to see somebody there and I say, Lord God.
Oh my God, it's crazy. I can't just imagine somebody hearing that they have COVID for the first time, how they feel. Well, I guess I felt it just now. We both felt it just now. And you realize that them carry it out, like them tell you and them just carry it out, say somebody from the health is going to contact you and all of that. Guys, we're going to get something Circle K for drink because it's so not that I do your fresh thirsty beer. Oh Oh my god, the breeze feels so good in here. Oh, what do you want to drink? You know nothing? Babes, I don't want nothing. I'll take a small Jolly Rancher. Hot man. It's out the door, auntie. No, so out the door can make it a burn down. Micheal. Well, no, you have to go here so first. You have to cash first and then you get the juice. My god. Alright, so they have watermelon, raspberry, and cherry. I think I'll take blueberry. I'll take blueberry, watermelon, and green apples for mine. Blueberry, watermelon, and green apple. Oh, that one is not ready? Huh?
Watermelon. So it's cherry for watermelon.
Okay, yeah. Mix them.
Okay.
Which one is not available?
Watermelon.
Oh, so but blueberry, cherry, and yeah, I'll take the 3. I got the cappuccino though. So we got through the Jolly Rancher juice. Only thing is that we got it in a Coca-Cola cup, as you can see, babe, with it right there. Because I asked, is this where I'm permanently get it in? I mean, you know, enough people not gonna really get it because you know it's a show and something. I think that's what a lot of us get it for. The whole idea of how it looks through the plastic clear thing. But they said they're working on trying to get the cups back. So we got a patty as well. My patty right there. We got a patty too. So yeah, we might have to end up going to Lindsay though. Yeah, we're in Ochi, so it's calling it taxi. So guys, just packaging a little dish with some lettuce. I just made 5 sandwiches right here. 2 with fish fillet and 2 with some smoked ham thingy or something. Let me put this. Yep. We got home a long time. Now we're like after that, almost 10. But when we got home, light did gone. Inside was hot and everything. So yeah. Right now, babe, I try to print something. I'm gonna try to figure out. I'm gonna try to print the COVID testing. But see, I'd spot on your laptop now. Come on, that's how the printer work and the Wi-Fi printer. The way it work, you choose something like that. You may figure out, but no, in hotspot now. Come on, so I don't know what's happening. We have it on our phone, but we won't have the thing in our hand. We won't have the COVID results now, and now and so yeah, my son droopy and tired and something and boring and lazy and no vibe, right? That's because I'm really tired. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna wash up some plates and just do a little clean up and then alright, I'm in bed. I mean, everyone experiences these days. Sometimes don't just want to go lie down, right? But my ear, none of it would bring as much discomfort as it did last night. But I just never sleep well at all last night. So the ear, look a bit tight. I used to tell them go up on the road. The sun would have killed me up in this party with the ear. So annoying. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end out the video here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh my god. I'll see you guys on another vlog. Bye.